6 months in a day, and all that's left is you. Things that are in turn, things that just become acceptable. Situations run, a lot of things have grown questionable. Looking at my hands, find the lines I scan, all of the things I plan, pick and prove. All you've got are girls living in the world you choose. Said you'd play with me today inside your dream house. Wait for tomorrow, should be Barbie, I'll be kicked out. 'Cause she's better, she's better, she's better than me. Why do you keep on playing me? Say that she's better, she's better, she's better than me. Why do you keep me on my knees? And I'm back, girl. You wanna know what? Lately I can't stand, girl, just do the best you can. That phrase sucks, either you're hot or you're cold, either you win or you won't. Addressing smoke and mirrors, still I find you won't compete for two, let me remind you. Let the spotlight find you, so